1, 2, 1, 2. Straight out of 679. It's another day, same vibe, same street, same grounds where we used to play. Just a homie from the village, how they see me. They say I can't hit big time up in Fiji cause the industry sucks. Well, I'm about to be the next anomaly, prodigy. But my grandmama gonna be so proud of me. Turning tables, living life without regret. Dream big, staying positive, but to my pops, so we say. Wanna thank the Lord, raise a glass for all He's given me. Young, dumb, and broke, chicken burning liquor, smoke chronic leaves. How life be like down at 670. Why? You know these island ladies got that mad jungle fever. Hey, party hard, keep it hot till the sunrise. Best believe this how we do it down the west side. Homies looking for that dollar deal, rides on the corner, getting lot of fill a temple, snatching baby mamas. But we good, dog. Still laughing damn hard in our hood, dog. Cause I wake up every day.